Let DCH Freehold Toyota make your dreams reality. You are looking for speed, beauty, a car that's more than just a car, it's the ultimate driving machine. Imagine driven GT. His Silver 06 Toyota Camry Solara SLE, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission with 44,883 miles. Enjoy an impressive 29 miles to the gallon on this sports car with features like CD changer stacker, leather upholstery, driver's side airbag, passenger side airbag, tilt steering wheel, quadra-steer system, tinted glass, and much more. Feel the wind in your hair, enjoy the drive, and look great in this 06 Toyota Camry Solara SLE. See us at DCH Freehold Toyota today.